Good evening. Good evening, students. Today I am going to explain about the chapter thermodynamics. Thermodynamics. First of all, I will explain the thermodynamics is mainly is found is thermo and dynamics. Thermo plus dynamics. Thermo means heat and dynamics means motion. In thermodynamics, mainly we have to see about the motion of heat. तो देन व्हाट्स तो थर्मोडायनामिक्स में क्या है, मेनली थर्मोडायनामिक्स में हम ये देखते हैं कि किसी भी रिएक्शन या किसी भी चीज़ को होने के लिए हमें कितना एनर्जी चाहिए होता है, या एनर्जी मिलता है, क्या होता है क्या नहीं. देन दिस ऑल दिस थिंग वी हैव टू चेक अबाउट फ्रॉम थर्मोडायनामिक्स. तो इन थर्मोडायनामिक्स मेनली वी हैव टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी दैट different terms we have to study in the thermodynamics. First of all is system and surrounding. Then system is what? System is the investigation part and surrounding is other than investigation part. Just like there is a box where we have to investigate is a system, and other than this is it surrounding. And another, let's go to about the system. There are different types of system. There are 3 types of system. First one is open system. In open system, matters as well as energy both are transferable. Second is closed system. This closed system is where is transfer of only energy but not transfer of matters. And third is isolated system. In isolated system is a transfer of is neither is transfer of matter and not transfer of energy. Then we have to see about the energies. Another one is state of the system. There are 2 states of the system. First one is state functions or another is a path function. State function is a function where is a system is depends only on initial and final. And another one is path function which is depends upon the path. So there are 2 types of functions. First one is state function and another one is path function. State function are the many examples just like internal energy, enthalpy, internal energy, enthalpy, and path function is heat and work. Heat and work is a part dependent person. Just like you have seen about displacement and speed. Displacement is what? Is depend upon initial and final. Not is on the path. But speed is depend upon how is the path is coming. Same is like the state function or state variables. Then here is a path function is what? Path function is an example of heat and work. And let us see about the different things. In this, the internal energy is a state function. Here is what is my internal energy. Internal energy is a sum of total energy. Just like is a sum of total energy means sum of chemical, electrical, mechanical, all types of energy. The sum of this energy is an internal energy. And internal energy is depends upon the different things. First one is heat passes out or passes in the system. Second is work done on the system or by the system. Third, it matter enter or leaves from the system. These are is depend upon the system. And second is a work and heat. Work. Then we have to go with the first law of thermodynamics. Here is the first law of thermodynamics is what? Is delta U is equal to Q plus W. Q is denoted by heat and W is denoted by work. Then internal energy is the sum of amount of heat is released or added to the system or work is done by or on the system. Here is the first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics is mainly is what? Is the first law of thermodynamics is tell about the law of conservation of energy. The energy is neither be created nor be destroyed. destroyed. And there are the various application of this first law of thermodynamics. We have to study the first law of thermodynamics in different condition: isothermal condition, adiabatic condition, isobaric condition, isochoric condition. Adiabatic means what? Heat is neither be transferred, heat is constant. It means Q is equal to 0. Isothermal means change in temperature is 0. Isobaric means change in pressure is 0. Isochoric means change in volume is equal to 0. So such type of system we have to study in first law of thermodynamics. And also in thermodynamics is introduced is the term is enthalpy. Enthalpy is what? Enthalpy is similar to internal energy. Internal energy we have to tell about the energy at constant volume, but enthalpy we have to measure at constant pressure. So these two are different things. One at constant volume is internal energy, another one at constant pressure is enthalpy. In the next tomorrow we have to study about how just like in the different applications we have to study this first law of thermodynamics in isothermal and adiabatic condition, and also we tell about the relationship between enthalpy and internal energy. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. We have to meet in the next tomorrow for the next session this class. Thank you.